Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change fonts on TikTok. So if you want to have a different phone use on your maybe TikTok bio or maybe TikTok video captions, you can just follow my steps right here. First, for example, here I'm going to just show you how to change a font on caption. So let's just open the TikTok first, and then I'm going to just click on the plus icon on TikTok. This one's right here, and I'm going to just, for example, record a video in here directly. Okay, let's just tap on next. And in here, for example, I'm going to use a different fonts on my captions. So let's just write the caption first. Okay, now what you need to do is just copy this captions, and then you can just go back to your home screen first and open your browser. You can hit on the plus icon and then just find font changer. Okay, now in here you can see there are lots of options that you can select it. For example, I'm going to just use the second one in here, fontchanger.net. So here you can just enter your text. I'm going to just paste the captions that I want before. And then you can just select the kind of font that you want for the captions. For example, in here, let's just explore first. Okay, I'm going to use this fantasy one, so you can just click on the type of okay, so you need to click on enter first on the box and then choose the phone. After that, let's find one. Which one? Okay, I'm going to just use a different one. For example, I'm going to use this italic, bold italic serif. So what you need to do is just click on the font that you want, and then the text will be copied, and then you can just go back to your TikTok. Here, let's select this and paste the new one. You can see the font will be changed. Now you can just post your video. I'm going to make this private and show you the result. So this is the result, and you see the captions will go like this. The font will be changed according to the one that I selected online. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.